At noon today, I finished my classes for the week. I teach Monday through Thursday right now, and then the students have Friday for another class that's just once a week. And so I took some time this afternoon to work on the chicken tractor. And as you can see, I finished my wheel assembly this afternoon. This is actually my own design that I was trying to figure out the past couple of days, how to make it work completely. But it looks like it's going to do just fine, and I will show you how it goes. The way it's sitting right now, it's actually flat on the slab, the way it would be in the grass as the chickens are just out doing their thing. And then when we want to move it to actually engage the wheels, we just grab this bar, rotate it around, and now it's sitting on the wheels. It's got about 2 inches of good clearance, so we can wheel it around in the grass, and then once we get it back to where we want it to be, we just grab the bar again and drop it in place. And it's actually very easy to do. The girls should be able to handle it just fine. I don't know yet how they're going to do as far as total weight on the thing, but as you can see, it's designed so that the house itself is over the wheels, so they just have to lift those handles right there, and they'll have the wheels doing all the hard work for them. So we'll see with time, but we've got a holiday weekend with Carnival, so there's no school Monday or Tuesday, and so I'm hoping to get a coat of paint on the steel and get it protected, and hopefully do the siding and roof on the coop as well.